Question number 181. The customer support team at Global Tech Solutions want to integrate their Power Virtual Agents chatbot directly into their custom company website. What should they use to achieve this? Option A, web page URL. Option B, form ID. Option C, bot ID. Option D, custom web channel. The correct answer is option D, custom web channel. Question number 182. The Digital Engagement Unit at Apex Innovation is building several Power Virtual Agents chatbot to support their catalog of over 1,000 diverse products. Since all these chatbots require users to enter or select a product, the product information must be stored in a way that allows seamless reuse across every chatbot. Where should the Digital Engagement Unit store this shared product data model? Option A, global variables. Option B, custom entities. Option C, topics. Option D, multiple choice options. The correct answer is option B, custom entities. Question number 183. The Digital Support Hub at Tech Solutions Inc. is developing a new customer service chatbot using Power Virtual Agent and needs to track when live agents are engaged for support. Which metrics should the team use to determine when live agents are engaged to provide support? On the left side, you have the metrics. On the right side, you have the process, and you need to choose the correct metric. The first process is determine which topics are transferred to live agents most often. The correct metric is escalation rate drivers. The second process is determine the number of chats per day that are transferred to live agents. The correct metric is escalation rate. Question number 184. The marketing team at Contoso Insurance is creating a Power Virtual Agents chatbot to capture demographic data for a new campaign. The chatbot must determine which age group a customer belongs to from the following categories: 0 to 17, 18 to 25, 26 to 35, 36 to 55, and 55 to 100. You need to configure a question that successfully determines the customer's age group. Solution: use multiple choice options for identify in the question and create options that represent each of the age groups. Does the solution meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option A, yes. Question number 185. The Digital Solution Unit at Global Insight Corp is developing a Power Virtual Agents chatbot to gather customer demographic information. This chatbot must determine the group a customer belongs to based on their age, with groups defined as 0 to 17, 18 to 25, 26 to 35, 36 to 55, and 55 to 100. The team needs to configure the chatbot to ask a question that can be used to determine the correct age group. Solution: create a custom age group entity and synonyms for each individual age in the corresponding item. Use age group for identify in the question. Does the solution meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option A, yes. Just a quick reminder, if you don't have time to watch these videos and instead download all questions and answers, feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 186. The Customer Engagement Solutions team at Contoso Tech has developed a new Power Virtual Agents chatbot, which is still undergoing testing and has not yet been deployed to production. You need to ensure that the correct users can access the chatbot based on their roles and stages of deployment. Which method should you use? The first question is, test the chatbot with unlicensed internal users. The correct answer is, use the demo website. The second question is, allow other licensed internal users to edit the chatbot. The correct answer is, share the chatbot to a security group containing all users. The third question is, deploy the chatbot to production for public consumption. The correct answer is, embed the chatbot code in an iframe on your company's public website. Question number 187. The Digital Innovation Team at Sporting Age Retail is designing a chatbot to enhance customer interactions. You need to complete the chatbot. Which features should you use? On the left side, you have the features. On the right side, you have the requirement and you need to choose the correct feature. The first requirement is, enable the chatbot to relate to a real-world object or topic in a dialogue. The correct feature is entities. The second requirement is, define the path and triggers for a chatbot conversation. The correct feature is topics. The third requirement is, implement conditional logic to dynamically route a conversation across different paths. The correct feature is flows. Question number 188. A user within Global Connect Solutions Regional Marketing Hub has developed a Microsoft Teams chatbot for their specific marketing team, and now other regional marketing teams want to access as its base metrics are broadly useful. You need to publish the chatbot to the entire company. What should you do? Option A, configure the chatbot to be used within the Teams channel. Option B, submit the chatbot for admin approval. Option C, copy the published chatbot link and email it to the other teams. Option D, invite the other teams to the team that has the chatbot. The correct answer is option B, submit the chatbot for admin approval. Question number 189. The Digital Support Initiative at Omnitech Solutions is improving their Power Virtual Agents chatbot, but it struggled to identify the specific product a user is asking about. To enable the chatbot to present a list of products for users to select the correct one, what should the team create? Option A, table. Option B, variable. Option C, slot filling. Option D, entity. The correct answer is option D, entity. Question number 190. For a client, AdventureWorks, you have created a custom table for customer trip bookings and configured it as a child of the contact table. You must now configure the cascading rules for the relationship to handle record deletion and sharing according to the best practices. Which behavior should you use for each action? On the left side, you have the behaviors. On the right side, you have the action, and you need to choose the correct behavior. The first action is custom table record is deleted. The correct behavior is cascade all. The second action is custom table record is shared. The correct behavior is cascade all.